Dear friends, I have many friends in North India and people who doesn't know Telugu. This particular video I am making for the benefit of my North Indian friends who can speak Hindi and English, but I cannot speak Hindi much. So I want to make you know about this particular Ayurvedic creeper, herbal creeper. Many people may be knowing this. This is called Vajravalli in Sanskrit. Vajravalli in Sanskrit. Vajravalli means strength equal to a diamond. Diamond cannot be broken. It is such a strong, very strong. Diamond is a strong ornament. Likewise, this is called Vajravalli in Sanskrit, equal to diamond. The strength from this herb is equal to diamond. This in English, Cissus quadrangulis. Cissus quadrangulis is the name, scientific name of this plant in English. It has got many health benefits. Many health benefits. This gives very strong bones. We can make a chutney out of this small stem. This stem, we can use it for preparation of chutney. The leaves are beneficial. The stem is beneficial. This gives red color fruits. They are also very much beneficial. Likewise, we can use this every part of this plant. This is a creeper. This grows just easily if we put this on the ground, and with the help of this tendon, these things, it grows even into the wall or nearby any big tree. This can grow like this. So, growing this plant is not a difficult thing. Get it and plant in your home, and occasionally or at least once in a week, make chutney out of this and eat it with rice or dal or any other thing. It gives lot of strength, lot of many health benefits. I will tell you the many health benefits of this plant. First benefit is this controls obesity. Obesity is a big problem for the people. This can control obesity definitely. It helps a lot of things in controlling obesity. You can use this even long term. This is a food. Don't treat this as a medicine. This is a food. We can add this in our food. Food, likewise chutney or curry or something like that. Or make odiyal antaru. We can make papads like this. This useful. And this heals the fractures very conveniently. Fractures can be easily controlled. If fracture is there, then you will run to the doctor. He will give a bandage over it, or he will put a steel rod inside. Then he will ask you to keep like that for 60 days without movement. 60 days. But if you start eating this chutney during that period, your bones will become just like diamond, Vajravalli. Again, Vajram, it becomes like a diamond. That is the benefit of this particular plant. This can cure piles, hemorrhoids. Piles can be cured with this. Only thing is, no need to take any juice or something like that. Eat this very frequently, making chutney or curry. Hemorrhoids can be controlled. Joint pains, small joints, big joints, knee joint, particularly knee pain is a common affair now even for 45 years people. 45 years age means they are getting knee pain. Then they neglect, they don't walk. When they don't walk, the knee will get more friction, and the knee replacement is suggested by the doctors. Knee replacement they are doing by charging lakhs of rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees for one joint replacement. There will never be a need. If you start eating this, your joints will get very, very strengthy. So, and osteoporosis, low bone mass, osteopenia, all these complaints, osteoporosis, the bones will become brittle. Such complaints can be cured very successfully with this wonderful Vajravalli. You can rely on this. This can control allergies, skin allergy, nasal allergy, like that. Even this cures asthma. Asthma is cured by this. And the people who wants to body build, they can eat this. The good protein in this helps them build body mass, good mass, strengthy mass. Those people who try for six-pack body, they can eat this. Bodybuilding, it is also. And it can cure cancer. It can cure cancer. It can prevent cancer, rather, we can say. Start eating this right from your age, 15, 20 years age. You need not worry about your bones after becoming 50 years. Now every 40 years man is suffering with joint pains. That can be controlled. This can successfully control diabetes also. Diabetes, no cure for diabetes, but diabetes can be controlled by consuming this Vajravalli. And high cholesterol. High cholesterol is a problem nowadays. Really, high cholesterol is not at all a problem. Lack of exercise is the main cause for cholesterol. We are not doing any exercise, no physical strain to the body. So cholesterol is getting increased. More thinking about health, then that creates cholesterol. Cholesterol is not by eating. Cholesterol is building up in the body because of our mental attitude. This can control loss of appetite. No hunger. People say no hunger. They eat very little, and they say their stomach is filled. For such complaints, make chutney out of this. Eat it for frequently, then your appetite will improve. Painful menstrual periods. Periods are irregular, painful. This herb will benefit them a lot. Peptic ulcer. Ulcers are there in the body. Peptic ulcers that can also be controlled, healed, and operation can be prevented. So much of health benefits by this. And rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is related to heart. That can also be cured and controlled by this one. And this heals the wounds very quickly. Wounds can be healed very quickly by this. Just take the juice or something like that, make a curry out of it, make a chutney out of it, use it in papads. Likewise, you can make very nicely. I'll prepare a chutney later with this. I'll make a chutney. If you see, you can understand how to consume that. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to this particular channel. This will help you, North Indian people who cannot follow my Telugu videos for their purpose. I am making videos in English. So you can understand and you can follow these healthy videos for your benefit. Thank you one and all. Please share, subscribe and follow the videos. Thank you very much.